What we found is that the plant is actually damaged by herbivores like most plants are in nature. And in response to that, it secretes sugar from the wound edges where the herbivores have damaged the plant. Tobias Lortzing is a graduate student at Freie University Berlin and one of the study authors.
They controlled for the bird's age, sex, body size, and species, and they found that the hunted specimens' brains were actually 5% smaller, on average, than the brains of birds that died by other means. The surprising thing is that if you make a similar kind of analysis of liver or heart size, there is absolutely no difference there. So this is specific to the brain.
Since its inception, the UN system has been working to ensure adequate food for all through sustainable agriculture. The majority of the world's poorest people live in rural areas of developing countries. They depend on agriculture and related activities for their livelihoods. This makes them particularly vulnerable to man-made and natural influences that reduce agricultural production. Clementson wanted to see if claims of question dodging actually held up, historically not necessarily in the unique case of Trump. So Clementson analysed the transcripts of 14 presidential debates from 1996 to 2012. Overall, he found 51 accusations of question dodging 26 by Dems, 25 by Republicans. It seems that language appeared from nowhere, since no other species has anything resembling human language. However, other animals do possess basic systems for perceiving and producing sounds that enable them to communicate. These systems may have been in place before the appearance of language. Your nervous system allows you to think, move, and feel. But there's a whole other part of the nervous system that is largely outside of your control, operating automatically and quite independently from your conscious mind, and it keeps you alive.
A susceptibility to gain weight may be written into molecular processes of human cells, a new study indicates. The proof of concept study with a set of 22 twins found an epigenetic signature in buccal or cheek cells, appearing only for the twins who were obese compared to their thinner siblings.
Normally, heat is what gets evaporation going, causing water molecules in the liquid to jostle more vigorously. That extra energy can break some of the bonds between molecules in the liquid, allowing molecules to escape as water vapor. Based on how much heat goes in, scientists can calculate the amount of evaporation expected. In the 1980s, geophysicists made a startling discovery. Two continent-sized blobs of unusual material were found deep near the center of the Earth, one beneath the African continent and one beneath the Pacific Ocean. Each blob is twice the size of the Moon and likely composed of different proportions of elements than the mantle surrounding it.
The development of hearing in babies is a complex and fascinating process. From the moment they are born, infants possess the ability to hear and distinguish various sounds in their environment. The auditory system undergoes rapid development during the first years of life, with critical periods for the acquisition of language and speech perception.